Good morning students. Today we are going to do Hindi calligraphy. For Hindi calligraphy, you are going to create the lines as I have created in this board. Okay. For Hindi calligraphy, how you are going to create this line in your art file, I will explain you. Okay. Listen to me very carefully. First I have created this line of 1 centimeter. Then I have created the line of 1.7 centimeter. Then 0.7 centimeter and again 1 centimeter, again 1 centimeter. Why I have created so many lines? The question can be arise in your mind. This is for the O matra. Which matra? O. Means अगर हमें शब्द के ऊपर री लिखना है या ओ की मात्रा बनानी है या चांद बिंदी बनानी है तो ये वाला स्पेस यूज होगा. Second, this complete line is used for writing the alphabet or word. Okay, and this place is used to write O matra, जो मात्राएं नीचे लिखी जाती हैं. Okay, then I have created the gap of 1 centimeter between the first row and the second row. Like this I have created the 8 rows in my board. You will able to see. If there is more space in your art files, you can create more like rows like this to practice Hindi calligraphy. Once you will able to write Hindi calligraphy, then I am going to teach you how to write the slogans in Hindi calligraphy. बच्चे, I am using the 4 number flat brush as I have used in English calligraphy. Will you able to see the 4 number hopefully? Right here. Here it is. Okay? And this is a flat brush. Just like in my earlier class, I have taught you how to take the color. I have put the color on my table only, the board only, so that it will be easier for me to write. I'm taking the color in my brush, little bit water I am taking. Okay, let's begin. I have already told you how to write the A matra. Will you able to understand? If I am going to put 2 matras, like this I will create 2 matras and I will drag it till here. Okay? And for U matra, I have break this. Like first I have put this stroke, then this stroke. Okay? Let's begin with the Vyanjan. Swar. Okay? First I will teach you how to write A. This is the way you will write the A. And you can create Bada A by adding 1 more stroke in it. Okay? Then comes E. Now you will able to understand why I have put this line, so that the things which can go down can be easily seen and drawn. For body E, I use this space over here. The straight line, then turn here, then here, like this. For U. For बड़ा U. Hindi typography is little bit more circular and creative in comparison with English. Then comes A. बड़ा A. For O, I am taking my next row, which is begin from here. Okay. I will take some water in my brush and we will write Bada O. Then come A. Then Aha. Okay, these all about the swar. Now we are coming to the vyanjans. Vyanjans means ka, kha, okay, we will make one more kha. Then comes ka. Then gha. Then comes da. Then comes cha. Comes cha. यानी इसके बाद आएगा छा. अच्छा बनाना बेटा मैं दोबारा बता रही हूँ, ध्यान से देखना।